What's going on, Sheep Army? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. We're going to be talking about some technicals with Shiba Inu and also some fundamentals. But anyways, we're also going to be talking about the overall crypto market and what this means for Shiba Inu. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And let's get straight to it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's do it. So anyways, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bears by 100%. I mentioned this yesterday. We did have this pump that it was a pretty big pump. I'm not going to lie, the pump that happened yesterday. But I mentioned yesterday that we had the supply and demand. So the red areas show less demand. Green areas show more demand. So it hit the red area like right after we started the pump. So that's exactly why I knew we were going to go down. And also, this green area here is such a huge area of supply and demand. It's going to be very hard for us to fall below this area. So we're probably going to see some more, trending inside of this area from 0.00033 all the way down to the 3.0 area. So we're probably going to see it trending between these two levels for a while. Now, I do believe that the whole overall crypto market is going to stay bearish for the rest of the year. And the year is almost over. I mean, the year is like 20 days left. Well, not even 20 days yet. It's like 17 or 18 days or something like that. But yeah, it's a little bit of days left of this year. So by the beginning of next year, we should definitely be trending back up inside of crypto. I definitely think that January and February might actually be some pretty big months for crypto, as well as March and April. So just watch out for that. Like Shiba Inu could definitely rise up like the same time as Bitcoin and all that. Everything's following Bitcoin really. But let's go over some more stuff with Shiba Inu. So let's back out of this. As you can see, this is a prediction done by analysts. They said Shiba Inu price could trigger 40% gains if Shiba can cross this level. Now, with the 40% gains, I would say don't expect 40% gains until the whole FUD goes out of the crypto market. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the crypto market. It's like you can even see it inside of the prices. Like we're trying to recover here with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin back to 46K, even when yesterday we were around like 52K. Now it's down to 46K. So 4.6% down in the last 24 hours. We were down 7%, but it's trying to get some of those gains back. We see everything else is going down. Everything has the same last 7 days chart. Like literally all these charts are the exact same thing. The only things that are really up are the stable coins. So, and a few other unicorns. But yeah, the whole crypto market is going down. They just expected to continue to drop for a little bit longer. But anyways, let's keep going over this. So Shiba Inu price continues to consolidate between the 0.000328 to the 387 barriers. A breakout for the upper limit could capitalize a 40% ascent to 543. They're pretty much saying if Shiba Inu breaks past 0.000387, it can go back on an uptrend and potentially hit like 543. That is only if it actually breaks that barrier of 387. Like if it breaks the barrier of 387, yes. But right now we're already down to 3298, and the whole overall crypto market is still continuing to go down. So I don't believe that we're going to do a 40% rise anytime soon. So we really got to wait for this month. But let's keep going over this. So however, if SHIB produces a lower low below 0.000328, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. So they're pretty much saying like the whole bullish thesis is invalidated if SHIB goes below 0.000328. So we'll be going into a bearish movement. So right now we're at 3296. So we're already almost past 328. We already went below 328 over here. So like right over here, we went down to about 3206, somewhere around there. So we definitely went below that area. So we're pretty much bearish now. So Shiba Inu price has been moving sideways for more than a week, indicating that the buying and selling pressure are equally matched pretty much. But although SHIB saw a sudden uptick inside buying pressure, it was short-lived and within a consolidated range. However, investors need to see a breakout from this range to trigger a massive move higher. So I do want to mention about the consolidation that SHIB had, and then the huge rise in price that we seen like right after that. A lot of the cryptos in the crypto market did not have this same jump. So yes, we do all follow Bitcoin, but a lot of the other cryptos did not just shoot straight up like Shiba Inu did. Shiba Inu just shot straight up. So I really feel like Shiba Inu is like discerning itself away from the whole overall crypto market. I don't know. Maybe it is still following Bitcoin. Not maybe. Definitely it is. But every now and then, Sheep just breaks out of the pattern and then leaves everything in the dust. So Sheep could do some crazy stuff like that leading into next year. So, anyways, let's go over this. So, Shiba Inu price eyes higher high. So, Shiba Inu price set up a high swing at 395 after the December 4 flash crash, and shortly thereafter, the meme coin set up a swing low at the 0.000328. This development was followed by a series of roughly equal highs and lows that formed in this trading range. So, SHIB failed to bounce off the 79% Fibonacci retracement level at 340 and correct a very near to low or near to the range low. However, the buyers stepped in on December 12th, triggering a minor 12% upswing, pretty much going over to 387. So right now you can see as Shiba Inu price pulls back to the 79% retracement at 0.000340. Again, investors can expect SHIB to see another rally if we can go above that area. So if this run up produces a 4-hour candlestick close above 387, then it will signal a bullish outlook. But the 387 level is so high or so hard for us to pass. It's such a high price. So yes, they are right. If we can get past 387, we will be bullish. But look at what happened when we got to 387 previously. Like we hit the 387 area here, or not even fully, like at the actual 387 area, there's a little red line here. This shows less demand. So when we hit the 387 area, it shows that is actually a resistance. So they are right about that. If we pass that resistance level, we're going to be bullish. They're 100% right about that. Now, what I do want to mention here is right before we hit that resistance, we have this red area of less demand over at 3,750. So even when we hit 3,750, we're still having a hard time continuing to rise. So how are we going to pass 387? Like, how are we going to pass it? Like 387, we can't pass that, because if we can't pass this supply and demand that's at 3,750, then we can't pass 387. So we definitely can go onto a bullish movement. You know, if something crazy in the market happens and you just see people just start to FOMO in, a bunch of people started buying a bunch of like huge parabolic gains in like Bitcoin and all that. But if that doesn't happen, we're going to have to look at the reality of the situation. And the reality of the situation is Shiba Inu has less demand at the area where our resistance is. And that's exactly what we need to pass in order to become bullish. If we can't pass 387, then we're not going to be bullish. We're going to continue on a bearish path. So just prepare for some downtrends here. Anyways, in this case, Shiba Inu price will first attempt to flip the 0.000411 and the 442 resistance levels. Pretty much, if we pass 387, it'll then try to get to 411 and then 442 before it's being resisted. So in a highly bullish case, and these cases are highly bullish, so they're saying in a highly bullish case, it could reach 543 if we hit these 40% gains all the way up to 387. But what I want to say is, it's a very highly bullish case to think that Shiba Inu can get to 0.000411 as well. Like, you got to think about it. The whole crypto market is going down right now. Shiba Inu isn't exempt from that. Shiba Inu is not exempt from any of the downtrends in the crypto market. Now, anyways, these are the levels that they're talking about. They're definitely right with the technical analysis, but you also got to think about these support levels that they're talking about. And they always pretty much talk about the bearish scenario if we continue to go down. Like they always mention it at the bottom. I like FX Street. They're real with everything. They tell you what can happen. Either it's the truth. It could either go up or down. And people like to laugh when I say it might go up, it might go down. Like that's literally how technical analysis works. Like if you can't pass a certain level of resistance and you get rejected, you obviously go down. If you hit the support and you're actually not going below the support, you're bouncing off of it, then you're going up. So it's I don't know. People are crazy. Like I'll say it might go up, it might go down, and they're like, "Man, you don't know what you're talking about." But I'm like, "What are you talking about here?" Because if we hit the support and we bounce off the support and we don't go below the support, we're obviously going up. If we hit the resistance, we bounce back down below the resistance, we're obviously going down. So we're doing both. We're going up and going down. I don't know. People just they blow my mind with this because look, we hit this resistance all the way up here, and when we hit the resistance, we went down. When we hit the support, we went up. So I don't know what they're talking about. Anyways, let's move on from here. So on the other hand, if Shiba Inu price fails to muster up the bullish momentum at 0.000340, it will indicate that the buyers are taking their sweet time. And I definitely think the buyers are taking their sweet time. Like me too, personally. I'm taking my time too. I mentioned in my previous Baby Doge video that I won't be investing any more money into Baby Doge until it adds another zero. Right now, we're about to hit the 1260 in Baby Doge, the 1260 support. 8 zeros and then 1260 at the end. Right now, we're at 80140. So I'm waiting for it to hit the 1260. Then after the 1260, I'll buy a little bit. And then after it gets below there, and then it adds another zero, I'll buy some more. And that's kind of my same strategy here with Shiba Inu. I'm waiting for Shiba Inu to continue to go lower so then I can buy in at a good price. So I will definitely mention like the timing when I will be buying in, but I'm going to wait for a little while because I definitely believe Shiba Inu could reach the 295 area very soon. So on the other hand, if Shiba Inu price fails to muster up the bullish momentum at 0.00340, it will indicate that the buyers are taking their sweet time. However, if she produces a lower low at 328, it will invalidate the bullish thesis altogether. So in such a scenario, Shiba Inu price could venture lower to retest the December 4th swing low at 295. I think it's inevitable that Shiba Inu hits 0.00295 in the short term. Long term, we're bullish. Short term, bearish. So I definitely want to mention this because 328, they're saying pretty much we could go lower to 328 and then eventually to 295. Look at where we're at right now. We're at 3283. So we've already hit that area. It's pretty much confirmed that we're going to go down at 0.00295. It's confirmed. We're going to hit that area. So I'm just mentioning this because I like to strategize my buyings. Whenever I buy in anything, I strategize it. I don't just buy in on the dip because it dips. I buy in at the main support. I literally buy in at the bottom of the support right before it bounces up. Now, I don't know if that's going to be a complete bottom, 295. I don't know if 295 is a complete bottom, but I know when it hits 295, then it's going to go back on an uptrend because momentum is going to be built. People are going to start buying in on that dip at 295 because that's major support. So when we hit that, we go back on an uptrend, but then we may just come back down on another downtrend. And when that happens, when we hit the bottom of the next downtrend, that's when I buy more. And the reason I do it in sections like this is because what if I were to not invest at 295 because I think it's going to go lower, and instead it goes down to 295 and it goes back up to 328, and then from there it maybe goes down to 30, and then it just shoots all the way up to like 3.6. Like that's why I do this progressively, like little by little by little by little, so I never missed any of the rises in price action because crypto is random. Anything can happen. Like I said, it can go up, it can go down. Like a lot of people are like, man, you don't know what you're talking about. It's not just gonna go up or go down. There's one set thing for it to do. Like, no, there's not one set thing for it to do. Like, look at what we had here. We were going down on a downtrend, and then boom, we were going down, 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 and then we were going up, and then we were going down, and then we went up again, and then we went down, and then we went up again. So yes, this is how crypto moves. It goes up, it goes down. So yes, inside of my technical analysis videos, I'm just gonna tell you one thing: it might go up, it might go down. But no, all jokes aside, though, Shiba Inu is bullish long term. Shiba Inu is bearish short term. That's all I gotta say about the short term and long term. Now, as for price predictions, in the near future, meaning in like tomorrow or the day after tomorrow or sometime this week, we will see Shiba Inu at 0.00295. That's the price prediction for this week. Now, as for next week, we'll probably try to garner some of those gains back again, maybe hitting the 3.0 area again, maybe hitting the 3.2 or the 3.4 area. But I do want to mention, if we continue to go down in the crypto market, Bitcoin's at 46K right now. So if Bitcoin continues to go down and Bitcoin hits 40K, we're going to see 0.00025 or 20 sheep if Bitcoin hits 40K. Now, if Bitcoin hits 30K, oh, now you got to think about something. Now sheep is going to be at 0.00001 or 15, possibly even adding on another zero. Yeah, I know you all hate seeing sheep at 5 zeros, but if Bitcoin continues to go down to like 30K, that's what we could quite possibly see. I'm still bullish long term with this though. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing with Shiba Inu. So as you can see, could Shiba Inu coin join Robinhood? Now this could also be another thing that offsets Shiba Inu and gets it out of the overall crypto market's path, because right now the whole crypto market's bearish. But if Shiba Inu got listed at Robinhood while everything was bearish, we would see Shiba Inu go on a huge uptrend. Now Robinhood is smart. They're not going to release Shiba Inu while there's a downtrend. That would be stupid. Not many people would even go on there to buy it. They'd be like, but everything's going down, so why would I even buy that? So when everything's going back on an uptrend, that's probably when we'll see Robinhood listed. So there's been rumors about Robinhood listing it at like the beginning of next year. So over here, this says breaking: while Robinhood app has not made any official announcements about SHIB listing, about the Shiba listing. Pretty much, we're told by an insider that they're having an executive meeting at 3 p.m. Eastern time today to discuss the possibility of listing Shiba as well as 2 through 3 other cryptos in January. So they're pretty much talking about listing Shiba and some other cryptos. The other ones, I'm just gonna make my predictions. They're thinking about listing Shiba. They're thinking about listing Baby Doge, and they're thinking about listing, I don't know what else. I just know probably Sheep, Baby Doge, maybe Cardano, because Cardano's pretty solid. So they might be doing something like that, or Binance Coin. I don't know. But yeah, they might be doing one of those three or all of those three coming very soon. So definitely keep watching out for that. It is a rumor, but they do say buy the rumor, sell the news. January is going to be big for crypto. I'm just going to go out and say this now. January is going to be very big for crypto. January and February. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So if it's not a big month for crypto, don't get mad at me. Just get mad at crypto. But yeah, anyways, I definitely believe it's going to be big for crypto. Now, anyways, we got SHIB down 7.4% in the last 24 hours, 10% in the last 7 days, 25.5% in the last 14 days, 35% in the last 30 days. So pretty much what all that means is it's a 35% discount. From the all-time high, it's a 61% discount. So this is a discount. This is nothing more, nothing less than that. But anyways, we have now lots of people in Sheep. That's 1,056,295 people inside Sheep. So yesterday, we actually had 1,051,686. And we got 5,000 people overnight in Shiba Inu. Even though Shiba Inu is going down, we still got 5,000 new holders in one day, even though Shiba Inu is going down. That's a significant right there. That's what I'm saying. Sheep could break out of the path of the overall crypto market and just hit an uptrend just because it's Shiba Inu, you know. But right now we are going down on a downtrend, and the whales hold most of the stake in Sheep. So when you think about it, the 5,000 people that bought in, they more than likely weren't whales. They're just regular retail traders, probably doing $10 to $100 at a time. So even if you think about it, the whales hold more stakes. So even if they sell the whales, they don't go down more than what it will go up if the small buyers buy in. But anyways, let's talk about this. The Bank of Russia to ban mutual funds from investing in crypto. So there's so much FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the crypto market. And then there's another thing that happened with Bitcoin, with the whole Singapore, or not Bitcoin, but Binance, with the whole Singapore. Then they shut down the Binance of Singapore or something like that. But there's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside the crypto market. So you just got to stay grounded, and you just got to keep away from the FUD. Like, I don't pay attention to it. I only pay attention to it when I come to you all and make the videos. I go through all this stuff. I make sure I assess everything correctly. And then I do my technical analysis and fundamental analysis and tell you my predictions and what I believe will happen next based off of that. So generally though, I'm not the type of person to just continue to go through all the news and be like, oh my gosh, we're going down, oh my gosh. No, I look at all the news, I'm like, oh yeah, this is going to make crypto go down, but I'm still going to hold because it's just what I'm going to do. I put $10,000 in, 10,000 goes to $0. I'm completely fine with that. Like, this is what crypto is. Crypto is risky because I would rather put 10K in it and risk 10K than to be broke all my life. I'm just being honest here. Like, I would rather risk all my money just to gain everything. I would risk everything to gain everything. So that's how I see crypto right now. Like, I would literally take the clothes off my back and put it into crypto just off hopes that I can become financially free off of crypto. But yeah, anyways, this is all I got for you all today. I just wanted to go over all this and let you all know exactly what's going on with Sheep and my thoughts and predictions for what comes next. So anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.